What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Check this out, we have two IMEX Tank Force RC shooting, yes you heard that right, shooting battle tanks. One of them here is the M1A2 and the other one is the German Panther. Don't be fooled though, these are not the only two that there are offered in the series. As you can see here on the back, you can get the German Tiger, the Snow Leopard, the USA M1A2, the Russian T90, the German Panther 6, German Panther 3, tons of different options for you to choose from. So if you want to get your favorite tank, it's most likely listed here. If you are interested in picking one of these up, there is a link in the description, or you can go directly to MikesHobbyPlanet.com and the link is right there on the front page. They retail for $139, so they're not that bad. They are made by a company who offers tanks that are up to $600. So if you want to try out RC tanks and maybe down the line get a really nice one, this is perfect for you to begin with. So let's go over the features. Holds up to 20 airsoft balls or 20 water bombs, which I believe is like Orbeez maybe. Proportional sound when running and shooting. So that means when it moves, it's going to make noises, and when it shoots, it's going to make noises. That's pretty cool. The gun barrel goes up and down, pretty expected. As far as the steering goes, the tank rotation is 360 degrees, left and right, and the turret rotation is 270 degrees, so it's going to go like that. I think that's really all you need to know. I know it needs 4 AA's for the batteries. It doesn't come with that in the box. However, it does come with a rechargeable battery for the tank. I don't think there's anything else on the box I need to show you. Let's go ahead and open one of these up. I'm really excited. Also, I got two, so I can play with the wife. We can shoot at each other. Well, it says don't shoot at people. We'll shoot some beer cans, maybe. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I think I'm going to open the USA M1A2 because America, sorry Germany, first anyways. I feel like a little kid on Christmas right now. The thing I noticed too is like most RC stuff, like there's another tank I reviewed, and just cars in general, boats, they don't come with the 4-channel remotes like this. They come with, you know, like the steering wheel style, but this actually has a 4-channel remote. This is cool. Alright, we got everything out of the box here, and yep, this is it. It's quite large. It's got a good feel to it. It's mostly plastic. Again, you're not actually shooting like anything more than plastic, so I don't think you really need anything like that. It's not like you're trying to actually blow each other up. It does come with a 1200 milliamp lithium battery, as well as a charger, a USB charger. And I don't know what's in this box here, but this one here actually is 6mm bullets. Okay, so it does come with some Orbeez, right? Yeah, these are Orbeez. So, do you like put these in water? I actually don't know. And then we have our BBs right here. So, orange, pretty easy to see. I mean, they're gonna be all over your yard probably, but I wonder what's inside this. Oh, okay. Took a while to get that out. So it's like an army dude. He must go inside here. I gotta look at the picture to verify, but that's pretty cool. Alright, so let me charge up this battery, and when it is done, we will try this out and see how it is. Okay guys, we are all charged up, and very quickly I just wanted to give you a close-up here on the army guy with his 2 guns. I mounted him in here. He was a little loose. At first I thought maybe we could shoot him out, but rather than losing him in the grass, I decided just to give him a little bit of glue. Put this gun down in this slot here, as well as on this side. They're in here pretty good, but just to be safe, I'm probably going to put a little bit of glue on this, just to hold it in so it doesn't fall out. So the battery goes right down here in the bottom. Pretty simple. This plate slides out of the way, and there's a little slot for it right underneath there. As I mentioned earlier, the remote does require 4 AA batteries, so I have those installed here. So we're going to power it on. On the top left, we have a button for machine gun sound, and then on the right, bullet shooting. Now, obviously, this is forward, backward, left, right. I believe this raises and lowers the cannon, and this turns the top of the tank left and right. So I'm going to power it up now, and let's see how this thing sounds. There's also a button for sound here. Alright, so okay, so turn the sound off. As you can hear right off the rip, it's got an engine starting noise, which is pretty cool actually. So alright, let's power it on and hit the machine gun sound button and see what it does. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, so it does do that. I wasn't sure if it was gonna actuate like that. That's cool. All right, so you can hear the clicking, you can hear the shooting noise if you listen closely too. Oh, that's so cool. That's very realistic. So it has like the recoil too. Now I'm just gonna throw some BBs in here. How do I open this? It looks like this twists off. Oh, I see. Okay, so this opens here. There we go. So here's where you load your BBs in. Hopefully I can do this without dropping these all over the floor. If you know anything about airsoft, you always find them all over your house. Oh. Just like that. I have an airsoft loader somewhere. I'm gonna have to find that because that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. I guess we're gonna do them one at a time here, for the time being. I need to find a solution for this. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. I think I put like 4 or 5 in now already. I'm just gonna put that amount for now. We'll see how it works. Just a couple. I think this thing's gonna actually shoot pretty far. And there's your lights too, by the way. It says it's gonna blink when you shoot. That wind is killing me. That shoots pretty fast. I'm gonna have to get some slow-mo shots of that. Wow. Yeah, you probably don't want to shoot this at people. That's one thing I can say right away. So this will fit about 20, but there's only a few that go into the actual chamber. Let's do it without sound. That's cool. So let's see if the light turns on, because it says the light should turn on right around the time it's going to shoot. I'll aim it like this. We're going to lift this up a little bit. That's so cool. Yeah, these are going to be fun to battle with. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to go play with this thing a little bit now and have some fun. But first, I'm going to do like a quick slow-mo shot, and hopefully you can see it shooting out from here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Before we go play, guys, check this out. I took a bunch of these and I threw them in some water, and they definitely blew up. I wasn't sure if that's how they were going to work, but they did. So we got some water bombs. Pretty cool. Now we can definitely shoot these at each other without hurting ourselves. Okay guys, we are outside and I tried some of the water BBs and they're really hard to see, so we're gonna have to just shoot the regular ones. It's already hard to see in the first place. Let's just quickly go over the controls again. The right joystick turns the turret and makes the cannon go up and down, and then obviously the left one forward, turn left, turn right, and backwards. So let's go ahead and try shooting this cannon here. Hopefully the camera picks it up. It shoots pretty far. You'd actually be surprised. Dude. I can't see it. I'm gonna have to, let me try a slow-mo shot, see if that picks it up. As far as like drivability goes, you know, it pretty much conquers anything. I don't think it's gonna go any crazy tall grass or whatever, but I don't think you're gonna be driving it in those types of conditions. Let's just do a little tree trunk test over here. Let's see if we can make it over this stuff here. I think it should. I mean, what more could you ask for, right? And I think that is it for this video, guys. A quick overview of the Tiger tank here, since you didn't see it out of the box really, aside from in the intro. It is pretty much the exact same thing, just looks a little different. Once again, you can pick these up for $139.99. I will leave the link in the description. I'll put it right here on the screen. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do, because I am going to be doing some more videos with this. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to say. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I surely had a lot of fun making it. And I will see you in the next one. Later.